G'day, here's a small parcel of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres, the material's been wetted. These are just to get you started on Boulder. That bit's just got a couple of little lines of colour in it, not a hell of a lot. Again, this just on the top there, a little stone. Nice pattern, potch and colour. Perhaps just cut this one up as it is, just polish it. A little bit of red showing there at the bottom. That's just shape it up and have it as a pendant. Nice red flash in that, but I'm not sure if you can do much with it. Face potch. There's really a bit of potch. Just maybe cut that the way it is, so you just see the lines of potch. Just a piece with a little bit more colour. This piece needs to have the top ground off to see what you've got underneath there. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.